Get the little ones in here. Did you find one?
I found a lot.
Well, you don't get all of them.
I know. Me some. No, look right there.
Here, look behind. You don't get any more in the kitchen.
Hey, look. Get 3, Noah. There's tons over here.
Wow. Caleb, Aiden. Noah, go over there where Ray is. She seems to have found a gold mine. Oh, you've got it figured out. You're opening doors.
Look. Yeah, go get them.
Go get it.
I found some.
You did.
Don't get them all, Noah.
Here comes Aiden.
Aiden, look over there.
Oh, look at your table.
The table.
Look at this table, Aiden.
Go over to the table. Aiden, that's yours. Noah found one.
You did?
It has an N on it.
Well, I think that must have been his then.
Yeah, you see?
That's a pretty point on this dresser.
Thank you.
Oh, hey, Buggy.
Oh boy, let's go put them in your basket. Come on.
Give me one. Hey, Bug, haven't found any in here. Caleb, come here. Where's the camera?
Come here, Mama.
I'm videoing right now.
Come
Then
here.
come ask Uncle Cody.
Look, it's the bunny been here.
He sure has.
Look, Caleb. Get it.
Put them in your basket.
I'm gonna tell Mama.
Did you look under the tables and under all the chairs? And
Hey, Maya, it's the
we'll have to count those real eggs and make sure we found all of them. Maybe we'll have a smell.